Alright, here, so we've got the bottom side covered up. We're going to dive right in. I'm going to get us a wire here. We've got to get dinner going here soon. We're going to mix it up. Crazy. We're going to put some of the mat down first, mostly because I want to use it up. And then I'm going to follow it up with the cloth here. Hopefully I get a smoother finish on the outside here, so I have less prep work to do. But like wishful thinking, we'll see. I'm sure I won't have an issue mixing up the two. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing as last time. Mix up about 4 ounces. And also this time, I'm going to go ahead and do it now. I'm going to lay some spray down. Some kitchen non-stick spray. So this bastard comes off here easier than the last. I don't have to destroy this thing. We're just gonna go for it. Oh, a little heavy. Now this stuff here, man, this stuff is temperamental. You cannot brush it side to side at all. Don't even think about it. You do your patting it the whole way. Even then, you got to be careful not to push it in any one direction there. You can see, you may be able to see, it soaks up quite a bit. So like I said, it's a little heavier cloth than the, it's a little heavier than that cloth stuff is. That woven stuff or whatever. I want to get it wet all the way past the edges here. Even though we're not going to be using the edges, I just want it to hold it down so we don't have any pieces that are flipping up anywhere. They actually have, I mean, when you go to a body shop, especially, you know, like a paint shop, they'll have some glass supplies. They'll have some release agent that you can buy that's supposed to work really well. I just haven't ever picked any of it up, so the spray seems to work decent. You know, and everything about these tails is supposed to be cost effective anyways. I'm going to go ahead and pop this thing off here, see if our attempt at spraying that non-stick spray helped at all. So far, what I peeled off, it's just the thinnest part. That's pretty darn stout. It's good. Look at that. That no stick spray did help quite a bit. So that's a sweet little piece. Look at that. That couldn't have turned out much better. Yeah. Well, of course, I haven't sanded it yet and seen what it really looks like. But we're just gonna cut this out, and then I'll be able to set it on the bottom side, on the inside here, inside of this piece, just to keep the underside from looking exposed and whatever, just to clean it up. And then I'll be able to, I'm going to recess the taillight right into that, I think. So it should be perfect.